Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys. So today we're going to be going ahead and customizing another wig today. This wig is not going to be a 613 wig though, so we are going to be bleaching the hair, which is something that I usually don't typically do, so this is going to be really interesting and fun. I've decided that the color that I want to do today is going to be this purple. I went ahead and I just got the spot because I was going to need the bleach too, so I just grabbed this one. So guys, this wig is from Sogoodhair. I have received hair from this company before and they was very good quality, so this is my second time receiving hair from them. This is the wig. It is still in the package. I'll go ahead and show you guys her right now. Let me go ahead and just show you guys the other goodies that they sent along with it. They also sent this little goodie bag with little goodies that you'll need to install your wig. They sent over, oh how cute, this is so cute. I love this. Most companies usually always send a wig cap, but they don't send all this other extra stuff, so that's what I love. They also sent a band along with some extra clips if they fall off. They also came with this brush right here that you can use for the edges. It also came with a pair of tweezers. Okay, that's a first. That's a first. I love it. I love it here. I love that. I love it. Also some bobby pins. And then it also comes with one of these things to help you hold your hair down as it's drying. It also comes with this cute cap. Let me check it on. It low-key matches my pajamas. So this is the hair straight out of the package. As you can see, she is wavy. I'm able to run my fingers through it. Very beautiful. Okay. And then this is what the lace looks like. Very, very beautiful, you guys. Comes pre-plucked and it also comes pre-bleached, which I love because I hate trying to bleach the knots on wigs. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like, you guys. It comes with a band that you can put on to help secure the wig more. Also comes with these clips. There's 4 of them. And then it also comes with adjustable bands in the back. This is what the lace looks like. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go into tutorial mode. Go ahead and show you guys a little bit more of this hair before I do go ahead and bleach it, just in case maybe you don't want to add color to it. Maybe you are interested in this wig. This is what she looks like. She's very beautiful. Something I forgot to mention in the video, you guys, is that when I bleached this hair, I made sure not to go above the ombre line that it already had. So it still has the ombre effect. It goes from black to like a dark brown and then to the bleached color. So just keep that in mind. I am done bleaching it. This is what the hair looks like now. I only dried the ends because I'm only going to be dyeing the ends. And so it did lighten up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and add the purple in now and see how this goes. So this part, you guys, although I did it dye it like this, I do recommend that you guys try maybe doing the dip dyeing method to help save some time. It's a lot easier. I do have videos on that if you want to go look back, but I think dip dyeing method would have been a lot better. I just completely forgot about it, but yeah. guys, so this is the final results of the wig, and I think that it's absolutely stunning. It's really, really beautiful. I love it. The lace blended in very effortlessly. I love everything about this wig. It's super, super beautiful, you guys. I really loved the wig before I dyed it. I also really like the wig now that I've dyed it. You know me, I love color, but it was a very beautiful wig from the get-go. It's also a really good wig for beginners because you don't have to do much to it. You don't have to pre-pluck it. It's already pre-bleached, and it's just a really beautiful wig. The lace will blend in effortlessly. It is an amazing lace, so I definitely do recommend this wig to you guys. It's super beautiful, as you guys can see. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very much. If you guys are interested in checking this wig out, the link will be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y besitos.